Good evening, everyone. So, as I told you in the last class, we will start with the inventory control or material control. So, material control means giving or providing the right quantity of materials of the right quality at the right place or time, right time and right place at the minimum cost. So, just in a brief thing, what we can say, giving the best quality or whatever the quality needed for the production unit, you're giving the same quality, but with the minimum cost or minimum price. That is inventory control. You're not wasting the money on materials. Unnecessary, you're not wasting the money. So if you're controlling the cost on inventory, that is inventory control. So it's a systematic control over purchasing, over storing, and consumption of materials. Like while purchasing, as I said, when you have 10 vendors, what you will do, you will see the best quality at the cheaper rate, right? So at the time of inventory, at the time of purchase of inventory, you have controlled the cost. That is inventory control. In storage, right, there are many things like ABC analysis or VED. Like these are the stock levels. Sorry. Techniques of inventory control are stock levels, EOQ, ABC analysis, inventory turnover ratios, perpetual inventory system, VED analysis, and just-in-time. Okay. So mainly, if we see the practical thing, the main thing is stock levels and even the store ledgers. You will get the store ledgers. There are 4 types of store ledgers. We will go through that again, and you will get the EOQ questions. So first thing, stock levels. Stock levels are reorder level, minimum stock level, maximum stock level, average stock level, and danger level. So here reorder level is, for example, maximum usually includes the wastage also. Sometimes maybe because of handling the materials, you lose the materials, or maybe while you store that material, because of some reason that may get spoiled. So many reasons. So we add maximum consumption is whatever your regular consumption plus some extra units they keep it for some emergency. So maximum consumption, for example, it usually lies between the maximum level and the minimum level. For how much time you need to get the material from vendor into per day or per week. If it is like, for example, if you can get the material in 4 weeks, so what you have to do per week, how much you need or how much is the maximum consumption, that you have to check. So we will, for calculation purpose, I'll just tell you per day 100 units you need. Within how many days you can get the material? 4 days. So 100 into 4, you will get the reorder level, that is 400 units. Once you reach that level, what you have to do? You have to get the material or order, at least order for that, place an order for that material. Second one is minimum stock level. In minimum stock level, what we will do? The normal consumption. Normal consumption, they usually give you the normal consumption and normal reorder period. If you don't get that, if there is, they have not mentioned it, then minimum consumption plus maximum consumption divided by 2, you will get the normal consumption. Minimum reorder level plus maximum reorder level divided by 2, you will get the normal reorder level. So this one, here reorder level we have calculated here, right? This one, and minus normal consumption into normal reorder period. Usually they'll give you this thing in question. If they haven't mentioned, then consider these two formulas. Next is maximum stock level. So maximum stock level is usually more than your reorder level. If reorder level is 400, it may be 500 or 600, depends. Okay, so how to calculate the maximum stock level? Reorder level plus reorder quantity, or reorder quantity is also called as EOQ, minus minimum consumption into minimum reorder level. Okay. While we discuss the questions, you will come to know, but just formulas I'm explaining. And next one is average stock level. So average is something minimum plus maximum stock levels divided by 2. There is one more formula, this one, minimum stock level, minimum stock level plus half of reorder quantity. So it's also there. Whatever the information is given, based on that you have to calculate. So next we will see the actual questions. Okay, so here they have given, from the following data calculate maximum, minimum, reorder level, average and danger level. Okay, danger level I have left, I believe. Danger level is something like once you reach that, you have to place, or you have to get the order. So it is definitely lesser than the minimum level. So I'll show you the formula and explain it again. So here they have given reorder quantity, reorder period. This is 4 to 6. That means 4 is minimum, 6 is maximum. Maximum consumption they have given, minimum consumption they have given, normal consumption also they have mentioned. And for calculating the danger level, they have mentioned the emergency purpose, how much. Actual, we will get 4 to 6 weeks, but for emergency, it is 2 weeks. Okay. So reorder level formula. Reorder level formula is maximum consumption into maximum reorder level. See here, maximum and minimum, they have mentioned it. So 800 is maximum. 800 into, as I told, reorder period 4 to 6 means 4 is minimum, 6 is maximum. So 800 into 6, you will get 4,800 units. That is your reorder level. Next is maximum stock level, reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum consumption into minimum reorder period. Okay, one second. Okay. So here we have calculated the reorder level, which is 4,800 plus reorder quantity. See, here they have mentioned reorder quantity. So reorder quantity we have mentioned minus how much is the minimum consumption? Minimum consumption is this one. Minimum consumption per week is 500 into minimum reorder level is how much? 4. Right? So just do the calculations. Now maximum stock level is 5,800 units. So minimum stock level is equals to reorder level minus normal consumption into normal reorder period. See, here they have given the normal consumption. Okay. If they haven't mentioned this, what we will do? This plus this, like maximum plus minimum divided by 2. I believe you see here. normal consumption, minimum plus maximum divided by 2. If they have not mentioned, but here they have mentioned normal consumption is 600 unit. So 4,800 we have calculated minus 600 into how much is the normal period? They haven't mentioned that. So 4 plus 5 divided by 2, that is 5, right? So minimum consumption or minimum stock level is 1,800 units. Next, what they have asked to calculate? The average stock level. So average stock level is minimum stock level plus maximum divided by 2 stock levels. So minimum stock level, minimum is 1,800, maximum is 5,800. So 1,800 plus 5,800 divided by 2. 3,800 is your average consumption. So danger level. Danger level is you can consider the normal consumption also if that is given. Okay. So they have given the normal consumption or average consumption. If they have not given, then what we will do, as I said, if they have not mentioned the normal consumption, this plus this divided by 2. That is your average. So here they have mentioned the normal. If they mention normal, consider the same thing. If they haven't mentioned, then calculate the average consumption and consider that one. Okay. So 600 they have mentioned into reorder period for emergency purpose is 2 weeks. So that into 2, you will get the danger level. Okay. So this is how to calculate the stock levels. So mainly reorder level, maximum, minimum, and average. These you can see in the question papers. But if they ask for the danger level, then this is the formula. If they have given normal consumption, consider this. If they haven't given, then minimum consumption plus maximum divided by 2, that is your average consumption. Okay. Okay. Try this question. Pause the video and try this question. If you can solve it, it is well and good. Okay. We will see the solution now. See here. Here also they have asked to calculate reorder, minimum, maximum, and average. Okay. So we know the formulas: reorder level, maximum consumption into maximum reorder level. It's reorder period, not level, reorder period. So for X and Y, here 2 components, so we have to consider both the things. So see here, 2 components are X and Y are used as follow. Maximum usage is 900 per week each. Minimum usage 300 per week each. Each means X and Y. X is 900. X is 300. Maximum is 900. X minimum is 300. Y maximum is 900. Y minimum is 300. Okay. So they have given, and they have given the reorder quantities also. 4,800 and 7,200. So it is quite easy to calculate. Here, 900 into 6. Why 6? See here. For reorder level, X is 4 to 6 weeks. Y is 2 to 4 weeks. Correct? So, X is 900. Maximum consumption is 900. Maximum reorder level is 6. Reorder period is 6. So, 900 into 6, 5,400. Reorder level for Y is 900. The maximum consumption, that is same. But maximum reorder period is 4. So into 4, you will get the reorder level for Y also. Minimum stock level That is reorder level minus normal consumption into normal reorder period, correct? So here we have calculated the reorder levels for X and Y. We have considered the both. And normal consumption, okay. Have they mentioned normal consumption? No. So if not mentioned, then what we have to do? This maximum plus minimum divided by 2, correct? 1200 divided by 2, you will get 600. So 600 is normal consumption. Again, period is also not given. So 4 plus 6 divided by 2, that is 5. Fine. So you will get the 5,400 into 3,000. You will get the minimum stock level for Y. X is 2,400. For Y, it is same. The reorder level is 3,600 minus normal consumption is same. But normal reorder period is 2 plus 4 divided by 2. That is 3. So you'll get the 1,800 units. So maximum stock level calculation is reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum consumption into minimum reorder period. 5,400 and 3,600 we have calculated here, reorder levels. Reorder quantity they have mentioned here, 4,800 and 7,200 for X and for Y. So these are X and Y. So minimum consumption for both it is 300, they have mentioned for both, and minimum reorder level for X it is 4, for Y it is 2. Okay, we have calculated considering the values. Fine. So average stock level. Average stock level, this term will consider this formula. Okay. So here minimum stock level plus half of reorder quantity. We know minimum stock level, we have just calculated this, right? These two. And half of reorder quantity. Reorder quantity is, they have mentioned that 4,800 and 7,200. So 4,800 and 7,200. Just put the value, calculate, and you will get the average stock level considering this formula. Okay. So I hope it is now clear. Considering for the first problem, you will understood it better, I believe. Okay. So next, okay. Next again, just try this question again. Okay. For the next video, we will see this. Fine. Please share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.